Hiccup cure. They smell good. My friends will like it. Yummy cookies for everyone. Yum, yum, yum. Jump, jump, jump. Oh. Cookies are always... Oh. Oh, it looks like a cookie is missing. That's strange. Oh, they're here. Come in. Hi, Pororo. I made some cookies for all of you. My cookies?
Pororo realized that all of the cookies disappeared.
Where's Crong?
Crong, where are you hiding? Huh? Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!
Crong!
Crong! Hiccup! Hiccup!
So, where's Crong?
He's at home because of his hiccups.
Really?
Hiccup! Hiccup! Hiccup!
Farewell, Crong.
Crong thinks he might die because of hiccuping.
What, Crong?
Is there anything we can do?
There is. Leave it to me.
Oh?
Okay, Crong, follow me. What are they doing? Holding their breaths. Okay, a little longer.
Yes, Crong, a little more. Oh.
Crong, 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 How was that? That scared the hiccups out of you, right? Crong? Crong!
Wow, that's good. Whoa.
What's that?
Whoa.
Your hiccups went...
Oh, this time Loopy's got the hiccups.
Oh, now it's Loopy.